Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open the Fidelity app and sign in with your username and password. Navigate to Accounts, choose the account holding the position, and find the ticker you plan to sell. Check that you have at least one share or the exact share quantity you intend to sell, and confirm any fractional shares or odd lots. Confirm your account type is cash or margin, and that settlement follows T+2 rules. Review positions for open orders or restrictions, and ensure you understand tax lots and available quantity before placing a trade. Tap Trade, select Sell, choose the ticker, and enter the number of shares you want to liquidate. Use the quantity field for whole shares or the percent field to sell a portion. You can enter a specific price in a limit order, for example 0. Choose market order for immediate execution or limit order for price control, and consider time in force like day or GTC. Review order type, quantity, and routing. Then tap Submit to send the order and watch for a confirmation or order ID once it is accepted. Check trade history to confirm execution and note the fill price and quantity. The app shows partial fills and timestamps. Net proceeds show in available cash, typically settled in T+2, and available for transfer or reinvestment after settlement. If you sold to harvest a loss or to rebalance, record realized gain or loss, and watch wash sale rules if you plan to buy the same security within 30 days. Finally, review statements and tax lots to ensure your cost basis and gains are accurately recorded for tax reporting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.